I just gotta fix the recoil on my Power Clear 721 RC. So just thought I'd throw the video on and we'll see how we make out. I kind of want to pull it out and see how long of a rope I need. I'm sure you can find this stuff in the manual, but well, there isn't such a thing as a manual, but you know what I mean, online or something. So I'm just gonna measure it out here. So around there. That's crazy long. I don't love doing recoils. I probably should get in the habit of, I like to learn to do things, so that's why I do it myself. So I got it in there. It's a little bit longer, but I didn't film it because I didn't think that I'd be able to do it in a timely manner. But I'm going to put it on and hopefully it works. I'm not going to record it, but I'll show you. I took off a lot of unnecessary parts because I couldn't get in to where the pull cord was. I probably really didn't have to take off what I did, but it's not a huge deal. I'm in my makeshift shop, heated shop. This is what you do when you don't have the money, or you don't want to spend the money to have a shop and you don't want to work out in the cold. Anyways, wish me luck and I'll let you know when I finish.
Dan, you may begin.
Once there was a girl who wanted
Kid can't even read.
to
Cut it out, dude. You're gonna get us in trouble.
Today, Junior!
Hi guys, hopefully you can see this. So I fixed the recoil. I should fix this right here. The rope got frayed because it keeps eating into this plastic. So I'll put something around this so that it can't do that. Reminder, when I showed you earlier that I had this fixed on the recoil, I had put a knot in this and then forgot that I still had to get it through here. So then I had to get the knot out and then get it past this point and then tie it on. I had a heck of a time remembering how this went back on. So that's why I didn't record. I hope that you appreciate my honesty and try to tackle things that maybe you're not comfortable doing. I feel like it's still a good thing that I battle, and it takes me 4 times longer than somebody that knows what they're doing, but maybe I'll learn eventually. And yeah, so now I got the two 721 RCs back in working order, and you've seen my Power Max bigger commercial snowblower. It's still good to go. And yeah, we're maybe gonna get some snow on the weekend. that was why I just kind of wanted them all ready to go again. I created probably more work than I needed to, like taking the shield off to fix the pull cord, but oh well. Lesson learned. Now just buy the right tools so you can reach into awkward spots and go from there. But it's only time lost, and it's the winter, so we're a little bit slower. So hope you guys got something out of this. Right now it's -6 out here in Peterborough, Ontario. That's around 0 degrees, around probably 4 degrees Fahrenheit, or I'm just making a guess for you guys that are in the US. Hope everybody's doing well. I would appreciate if you would smash that like button, click the subscribe button. By subscribing to my channel, it lets me get out to more people. YouTube will recommend me. A lot of people probably don't understand why I want to subscribe. It's not about making any money, because I need a lot of subscribers. It's about me being able to be recognized a little bit for my videos. I've been taking some time and getting a little bit better at them, so I'd love those ones that haven't subscribed, if you would hit that subscribe button. It would mean a lot to me. Otherwise, if you don't want to, that's fine, but just realize that if you do, I really appreciate it, and I'll do a shout out to you as well. So anyways, guys, just a short one today, but hope you have a great day. Until next time, take care, stay safe. See you on the next one.
In case I don't see ya, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Yeah.